Today, we are looking at the Lunar Clean Flush Invisi behind the wall toilets. This is Caroma's most affordable behind the wall toilet that features their patented Clean Flush technology, available in standard or slim seat design. A completely open rim combined with a generous drop zone and additional flushing power, Caroma's Clean Flush technology makes cleaning easy and more hygienic. For a minimalist, streamlined look, behind the wall toilets hide the cistern within the wall cavity. With a variety of colour finishes, the flush plate can become a feature of your bathroom renovation and a colour match to all Caroma bathroom products. One of the design's key benefits is reducing the discomfort of having to brush clean after toilet use. It has a contemporary D-shaped design and a soft closed detachable seat, so there are no hard to reach places, making cleaning easy. Like all Caroma products, this toilet includes GermGuard antimicrobial protection built into the seat and pan, eliminating 99% of bacteria on contact. When making a decision to install behind the wall, the Lunar Invisi is a safe and reliable option for any bathroom renovation.